Hi, my name is Lisa Orloff. I've worked with the DRI team to develop the Business Continuity Exercise Program. I'm also the lead facilitator, so I hope to see you all soon. In the program, we discuss proven methodologies that you can apply in developing your exercise and evaluation training program. We use the Homeland Security Exercise and Evaluation Program, the Incident Command System, and SMART methodologies. We go through the fundamentals, establishing the program, design and development of your exercise program, conducting your exercise, and the all-important evaluation. By exercising your business continuity plan, you're testing and making sure that your businesses can be safe and that your people in your team stay safe. You're promoting teamwork, and you're also developing team capacity and team capability. Lastly, you're allowing for your teams to come together and to build resilience, especially in these COVID-19 times when people are in front of the computer, they're focusing on getting their business done. You can create a fun and interactive testing program, an evaluation program that brings people together to practice their skills, but to also have fun. In my experience, there's no environment that comes as close as possible to disaster response than a fully functional exercise. It's an environment where you can apply a certain amount of pressure and tension and see how people respond, make adjustments, and allow them to practice in a no-fault, no-risk environment. Also, through the use of a progressive model, all levels of disaster managers and business continuity managers can choose the level of exercise and evaluation that they want to do, going from the simplest of tabletop exercises to a fully functional exercise where you can bring teams together, say BCM and cyber together, so that they understand where their plans intersect and how they work together, and bring team members that don't often work together to really practice and see where their gaps are and how they fluidly work together. So I hope that you will be joining us for the Business Continuity Exercise and Evaluation Training Program. Hope to see you soon.